This 2026 Venture RV SportTrek 5 Touring Edition STTF 353 VIK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features a chestnut interior, sleeps 4, water heater, smoke detector, slide-out, carbon monoxide detector, TV antenna, oven, spare tire kit, LP detector, skylight, TV, and 76 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth-wheel RV features couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Venture RV SportTrek 5 Touring Edition STTF 353 VIK is 11,680 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.